This morning, day trading, two stocks. Day trading, two stocks this morning, getting short on two stocks at the same time. Who would have thought that I could trade two stocks at the same time? Hey, I'm not always just a one-trick pony, my friends. Not always a one-trick pony. But breaking down these two trades here this morning and kind of the madness and all that fun stuff. What's going on? Everything. Let's go. Well, what's going on, guys? It's Tuesday morning. I'm not super excited right now, even though I'm green. Had some technical difficulties with the computer this morning. The recorder wasn't working. The computer was like freezing and doing all kinds of weird stuff. So I thought I was recording in this entire trade and recording all of it live. And then I looked over and none of it was recording. I only got like a little snippet of it. So ended up looking on the editor and none of that stuff was there. So I'm going to do another recap here and just kind of give you guys the breakdown of what I was looking at today on a couple different stocks. I had two stocks that I was short this morning, which normally I don't do, but I thought this morning that was kind of a good idea. Get, a little bit of diversification. So this morning, CPRX, this thing gapped down big yesterday from the $6 area, bounced into $3, and was kind of showing some resistance here at the 390s. And my goal was to get short into the 390s and then basically risk off the $4. So I was going to risk 10 cents here, $100, risking $100 with 1,500 shares, risking, $150, whatever you want to say. But I was going to basically risk 10 cents here for the possible move back down here to the 340, 350 area, 310. You never know. But basically had to end up closing out because my computer was just doing all kinds of weird things and I wasn't really liking it, and I didn't want to end up getting squeezed out when I wasn't able to cover. And right now you can see the stock is down there to 365. So that's a little bit painful. I'm not going to lie, a little bit painful. You can see my short entries there at the 390 area and then getting covered here at 370 and then 380 because I had to get out. But a little painful. It is what it is. Still green here. Ended up making Ended up making $142 here on the CPRX trade. I don't know if you guys, do you need a magnifying glass to see that? I can't make it any bigger, I don't think. I don't know how to make that bigger. Let me see. Can I make it bigger? Nope. Oh, wait. Maybe here? Oh, like this? Does that work? Oh, wow. Look at that. It's bigger now. Isn't that nice? There you go. Now you can probably see it a little bit better there. That makes it a lot easier. All right, so now you can see you got bigger profits now, bigger P&L, but making $142 there on CPRX. At one point, I was up to $200 and then ended up having to get covered there, computer problems. And then AKRX was the other stock that ended up shorting here. Had a big move higher, was looking overextended. There were shares just short, and I was like, I'm looking to get short here. So I ended up getting short on this stock there at the 370 area, looking for that pullback down to the 350s. And that's exactly what happened down there at 350 now. Ended up getting covered there at 362 after I had to get out on both of those trades. The other big crazy stock of the day was BLIN. BLIN yesterday making some big moves. You can see yesterday was bouncing around, bam, bam, bam. And this morning it's up there at 920 again. Wasn't able to buy this one or capitalize on this move because of margin restrictions. SureTrader has it margin restriction right now. So not able to trade BLIN today. Or I can trade it, or I can buy 100 shares, but it's just not worth it for me to buy 100 shares. So BLIN, not going to be able to play that one. I'm going to kind of just walk away here, I think. CPRX down there at 365 now. This stock looking like it wants to head lower. Story of my life, right? Story of my life. And you can see $150 this morning after commissions and fees, $185 before. Paying a little bit more, trying to add into that and stuff like that. But you can see the equity right now still kind of just slowly growing. Haven't been trading a ton in the small account. Yesterday I traded in the larger account, but this morning kind of thought it'd be cool to get back into the small account. I kind of just bounce back and forth depending on my mood, but this morning kind of saw some opportunities. I could get some margin on CPRX and AKRX. So when I get opportunities to be able to use margin on those types of stocks, I usually try to trade in the small account because it's just easy and keep the small account kind of growing like that, keep these videos going. But right now, CPRX down there to 360 again. So that's a little painful. I had 1,500 shares there at the 380 area. So you can see my trades. I was basically sizing into CPRX, sizing into it, and then ended up getting covered there at 371, 380. Same kind of thing with AKRX. So trying to get short into that 360, 370 area, and just ended up covering there. So kind of is what it is. Still green. My goal really right now is it's big $100 a day in the small account. $100 a day keeps the doctor away, and that's what we're doing. Oh, I'm out of breath. So CPRX, after that big move, we got a little bounce back, was basically like thinking, we get held below that 390. That $4 area is a key area. Got that resistance up ahead, above it. Got the resistance, got that stuff going on there. So basically keeping a close eye on that. And then once I saw that the resistance was holding it down, it's time to hammer it. And that's what we did. We ended up getting short there into that move lower. So nice little move there on CPRX. Maybe I could have sized up a little bit bigger on this one. Maybe should have went all in kind of on CPRX this morning. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. And you can see now AKRX having a little bit of a bounce there from the 350s. So a couple stocks moving around today. Had two stocks at the same time. Two shorts at the same time. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Not me, my friends. Not me. But trying some different techniques sometimes. It's good to kind of have a plan and see that plan work out. With this types of trades, I'm basically going to risk $100 looking for, a $200, $300 return. And that's exactly what we got. We didn't get the full return, but we had the predefined risk. We had the plan. We went into it, level-headed, understanding that if it doesn't work, it goes against us, we're going to end up getting out for a small loss. If it works out, we're going to get out for a nice little reward, nice little profit. And that's exactly what we did today. So I'm going to close it out. I got things I got to do. I will talk to you guys later on.